Hey guys, in this video I'm super excited to show you this 5K profit formula. This is gonna let you guys create a money printing page just like the one you see on the screen right now, and you would monetize this page, guys, with different kind of affiliate offers. It can be high ticket offers, low ticket offers from Clickbank, JVZoo, WordPress, or it can be any kind of affiliate offers, guys, that you can think of, and you can make a ton amount of money with this strategy. Now let me show you guys how this works. Basically, you can create this money making page right here. They call it money making page, or a landing page right here. But this is not just a regular landing page, because you'd be able to customize this, guys, with your affiliate link, just like I said, with different kind of affiliate offers, and you can use other people's content, just like this one right here. You can use this content, but I actually embed one of my video right here. See this one right here? This is one of my video, but you can use other people's content if you don't want to use your, if you don't want to create content. You can use other people's videos on YouTube, and you monetize those videos with different kind of offers. And just like I said, this is not just a regular page. Let me show you why. When I try to click on this one right here, lag out. So I'm just gonna lag out to my account right here. As you can see, guys, this is your regular landing page, or money making page. When a person clicks on this get started for free, they can then create an account right here. They can register their account, they can put in their name, they can put in their email address, and they can set up your password. And once they create their account inside of your website, they'll then be able to log in your account, log in their account right here. When they click on this login right here, they'll then access your money making page, this one right here, that has your different kind of affiliate links right here. So you have this link right here from this button right here, you have this link right here from this text right here. So you have also this link right here. When you guys click on this, it's gonna show you this pop-up right here. They can also watch this other video if you wanted to set up another video right here, and you can monetize this with different kind of affiliate offers, or any kind of affiliate offers that you want to promote. And then also this button right here. Basically, guys, you can customize everything, guys. And as you can see, guys, I put my image right here. You can customize this with your link, this button right here, this recommendation right here, my number one recommendation. You can customize this with your affiliate link to any kind of affiliate offers. And this button right here, you can monetize this money making page. And basically, guys, this is really powerful, because you basically provide value to other people by providing them this free training right here. So these are free videos that they can watch right here. So what is affiliate marketing, how to create a website, how to make money from TikTok, how to build a list. So basically, you provide value to these people, and these people is gonna like you, gonna trust you, because you have this content that you provide to them, and you monetize them with different kind of ads and different kind of offers from these buttons right here, which is really cool, guys. It's really powerful, and I'm super excited to show you this method. Alright, now let me show you inside what you can expect inside. But before that, guys, alright, let me show you first my bonuses. When you guys pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to additional value that will really help you guys out, surefire your success with 5K profit formula. Alright, so my bonus number one, guys, I'm gonna show you how to drive free targeted traffic from TikTok, and I'm gonna show you guys how to edit TikTok videos and drive unlimited amount of traffic into your page right here, which is really powerful. And the best part, guys, this is TikTok is 100% free, and TikTok can get you guys results within 24 hours if you take action. I'm gonna show you guys how to drive free traffic from TikTok. I'm gonna show you how to edit TikTok videos, and then I'm gonna give you access, guys, to this automated software that will let you create and edit professional TikTok videos, which is really powerful. Right now, let me show you one of the example of my video right here from my YouTube channel. Right now, you can talk to videos, or you can just do this without speaking or without talking to videos. Guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to edit this kind of professional videos, and you can upload this to your TikTok. You can monetize your Instagram, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts to get you guys unlimited amount of traffic, and the best part, 100% free traffic source, and can literally get you guys results within 24 hours, right? So that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a case study of me generating $70 over and over from ClickBank. I'm gonna show you guys the exact funnel that I use, how I drive free traffic, and then I'm gonna show you guys what offer or what product that I promote from ClickBank, that we can copy and paste the method that I use, guys, and start making $70 if you wanted to do this strategy as well, which is really, really powerful, right? My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna show you a case study of me generating $30 to $50 over and over again using an evergreen free traffic source, which is a set and forget free traffic source. You just basically set it up once, so you can still get clicks and eyeballs on complete autopilot without you having to lift your finger again for months to come, for years to come. And this can give you sales, guys, on complete autopilot, which is really, really powerful, right? My next bonus for you guys, if you wanted to have one-on-one live session, you can also do that. You can set up a one-on-one strategy call, that way you can guarantee your results with affiliate marketing, right? My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna give you access to a software that's gonna give you guys free traffic from Twitter. This app is Twitix. It's gonna give you guys free traffic from Twitter, right? My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to affiliate marketing traffic and training. It's gonna show you guys the proper way to do affiliate marketing, and it's also have free traffic training and paid traffic training as well. And then I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a lazy traffic sniper, which is another affiliate marketing training program. It's gonna show you guys how to drive free traffic and paid traffic, and then how to really make money with affiliate marketing as well, which is really, really powerful, right? My next bonus for you guys is another affiliate marketing training program. Inside of the training program as well, you're gonna learn how to drive free traffic and paid traffic into any kind of affiliate offers, right? So those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up 5K profit formula through the link down in the description of this video, and of course, guys, you get access as well to all vendor bonuses, right? So let me show you inside and how this works, how you can create this money printing page and money sucking page right here, which is really, really powerful, right? And you can customize everything right here, right? So let me show you inside right here. So basically, guys, you can create different kind of funnels right here. So once you log in into your 5K profit formula account, this is the first thing that you're gonna see right here. So you have this welcome videos right here. See this one, they have this fast track video series right here. You'll be able to watch how the system works, how you can set up everything, guys, a step-by-step process on how to use the system and how to get up and running and start using the system and start making sales out of this system, which is a really, really powerful method to make money online, right? Now the next one is you're gonna access to your 5K profit formula. This is where you access your funnel, your products or page content, and this is where you monetize your page using ads and page content and products right here. But basically, when you guys create a funnel, this is where you create a funnel by clicking on create new funnel, and this is where you create a brand new page, a brand new funnel, which you can make a ton amount of money. You can create a title right here, right? So basically upload an image, but I already have a funnel right here, and I'm gonna show you that right here. So I already created this funnel right here, which is affiliate marketing. So what I can do is you can click on view. It's gonna open up this page right here. So this is the exact funnel that I created. But what you can do is you can click on edit right here, and you can customize your funnel. You can customize everything from the name right here, from this image right here, which is this image right here, from your logo, right? So I actually uploaded my own image right here. This is my own image. I uploaded that right here, and I customized it with my name right here, which is jercallora. And this is where you customize this button right here, put in your affiliate links from these buttons right here, right? So this is my number one recommendation, and this is where you put in that video, right, from from this video right here, which is this video right here. From click on watch now, I put that video right here. But basically, guys, you can customize everything right here, guys, from your affiliate link. So this one right here, click here to join the program. So you can customize this with your affiliate link right here. So I think that button is this one right here, that button right here. So click here to join the affiliate program. You can customize everything, guys, and you can create this money making page right here that's gonna, ready to make you a ton amount of money, guys, which is really, really powerful, right? And this is where you access your products right here. This is where you monetize your channel or you monetize your page. This is where you customize your page content. Basically, page content is this other things right here. So these are page content. So what is affiliate marketing, how to create a website, TikTok money. This is where you customize right here, and this is where you put your affiliate link. So this one, when we try to search on what is affiliate marketing, this is where you edit that one. This section right here, what is affiliate marketing, this is where you edit the one. Click on edit right here, and this is where you put this video or whatever, whatever keyword you wanted to monetize right here. You can just search on Google how to make money buying and selling domains. You can just put in how to make money buying and selling domains, and put in a video right here, how to make money buying and selling domains. You can also do that, and this is where you put in how to make money buying and selling domains, and then this is where you put the link of the video right here, right, which is really, really cool. All right, and you can put in an image right here if you wanted to do that, and that's how you create this content page right here, and you monetize this more using this ads right here. That's how you would set up your money printing page, guys, which is really, really powerful, guys. And just like I said, this is not a regular a page that you can create with different kind of page builder. This is a unique strategy to make money online. Just like I said, when the person land on this website right here, they can click on get started right here, they can register their account, and once they created their account, they can log in their account right here, and they can access your training right here, which is absolutely for free. And once they found value, they like your content, and they can join to whatever offer that you wanted to promote with this page, which is really, really powerful, guys, right? So those are all the things that you can create with 5K profit formula. Other things that you can expect inside of this application or system: you get access to free autoresponder, you get access to done for you email swipes that you can use. They also have this free traffic training system that can really help you guys drive free traffic into your money making page. They also recommend you traffic right here that you can use. Also have quick start guide, checklist, case study. They also have community group, resources, dictionary. You can also get access to your certificate if you guys wanted to create a certificate. You can download your certificate, you can print your certificate, and you can put your name inside of this certificate, right? Then they also some upgrades right here, and bonuses right here, right? So those are all the things that you can expect inside of 5K profit formula, guys. And it's a really great strategy to make money online by creating this money making page right here, which you can then monetize with different kind of offers. It can be high ticket offers, low ticket offers, and make a ton amount of money with this strategy. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it, my video. And if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.